Good morning. Today I am doing the daytime running light in the Volkswagen Passat. This is the same for the Jetta or the GLI. First thing you're going to do is get in and turn the wheel all the way in, because you're going to reveal a little hidden door right here. And that's how you access the daytime running light. All you're going to need is a Torx T25 wrench here. Let's go ahead and grab that out. And then also the bulb. I'll put a link in the description for that bulb. All right, as we go in here, our bolt is right here. And we're gonna unthread that. Boom. So this guy has a little safety catch. So as you unthread this, you get lift and pull out, and that's our little hatch. And you can see right in here, this little door we have to undo to get in there. So you got to reach in and grab this guy right here. Whoop. And there we go. Then there's a holder that you turn counterclockwise, and there is a wire connected. So as you pull this out, be gentle. Don't just yank it out. You have to do the light bulb change inside this really cramped compartment. And that's what it looks like right there. There's our bulb. And so I'm going to reach in and pop that bulb out, pop our new one in. This is what our bulb looks like. It is just a pressure fitting, so just pull out from the housing in there. Be mindful of the wires and pop the new one in. I'll put a link in the description for this bulb. Also put in, there is an LED option which lasts a lot longer, a little bit more expensive, but this is the traditional bulb, and then there is an LED guy that lasts a bit longer. And that's what it looks like once you get the bulb in. So you press the bulb in, and then you have to snake it back into the that hole. As you're trying to get it, fit it in, you can also look at the front and see if the bulb is lining up. I have it lined up and it's ready to twist back into place. So I just got it to twist lock back into place, and now we'll throw this cover on and put this cap back on, and we're all done. When you're throwing this on, make sure this little lip fits in first, and then you tighten your screw down. And as you can see, the daytime running light's running. If this was helpful, subscribe. I've also done videos for all of the lights on this vehicle. So check my channel out, subscribe. We'll see you next time.